fucking windy. My God. Currently filming on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Trying to stabilize the camera, at least so it can look kind of straight, but it is what it is. It's so windy today. Jesus Christ, why? I asked, like, I'm gonna get a reason for this. It's windy because it's that time of year, especially here in the desert, in the Coachella Valley. You get a lot of wind during this time of year, especially around March and April. More towards the end of March, and I would say almost all of April, you have pretty much windy days like these. I don't know if the camera can pick it up how dusty it is. Probably not. Oh my God. But yeah, it's a pretty high wind. I don't know if maybe the camera will pick up some clarity. I don't want to grab my phone and kind of turn it to my left side, to my left window here on my driver's side, because it could be a little dangerous, especially with these high winds. There's I'm on the freeway, a lot of cars passing by. I don't know, it's a pretty windy. Pretty crazy. It's just can't really see much of the horizon. I'm pretty sure the camera can pick up, like, in the sky, the dusty winds, the sand kind of blowing over, covering a little bit of the sky. It is there. Yeah. On the way to the gym. Trying to get my workout in. Not too bad. I don't know. How's life going for you guys? How's everything going? Hopefully everything's great. Hopefully you guys are living life to its fullest. You know, just kind of living day by day, not taking things for granted. Try to live your life simple, not overcomplicated. I don't know. You gotta live a simple life. There's so many stressful things in life, especially in today's day and age. You know, how things are politically, you know, just with everything in general, you know, just little things in life can trigger you. That's why it's always important to strengthen the mind and body, so you can better prepare yourself. You never know what you could come against in any random given day. But yeah, I don't know. guys ever have those days where you just kind of drive and you just have these deep thoughts? I don't know. Hopefully, whoever is watching this video gets some sort of satisfaction of just watching me drive to the gym. Stay green, stay green, stay green, stay green. I'm gonna make it anyways. It's fine. It's fine. Look at all these people. How interesting how everyone just lives their lives. How do we all coexist like this? Look at that, civilization. Everyone driving to somewhere, trying to get their day done. Trying to accomplish whatever goals they need to. Fulfill whatever responsibilities or duties they have. Isn't it fascinating? We're all kind of just living in this sort of house of cards, you should say. We're all following these rules, just kind of just assuming that everything will be okay. When in fact, everything could just fall apart in an instant. Isn't it fascinating how that works? Man, why am I yawning so much? Well, anyways, I'm at the gym. About to pop here. Gonna do a light workout, nothing too crazy. 45 minutes, should be in and out. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, you know. Hopefully, you guys have a great day, honestly. Remember, live life to the fullest, however you can. Easy to say, hard to do. You know, usually the things you want are the ones that are usually the things that you most want are always the hardest to get, and usually that's where the satisfaction comes, when you finally obtain that goal. I don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about. See what I mean? Just go for a drive. Sometimes you just have these random thoughts and you just kind of start talking out of your ass. But yeah, I don't know. Have a great day, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.